They not send you.
Good morning, sir.
Hello, madam. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Sit down, please. You should be Mrs. Neka.
Yes, sir.
Your husband called actually and told me that you'll be here today.
Yes, sir.
And how can we help you? Oh, please.
I want to adopt a baby.
Baby boy or girl?
It's a baby boy.
Baby boy. Madam, all the baby boys that we have here have been booked, but we still have two that remain here.
Okay, bring the two in.
You should know that baby boys are more expensive than the girls.
Okay, no worries, sir. I'll pay you any amount of money where you want.
Akpaka! Nkume! Akpaka! Nkume! Oga! Come here, come with your brother, come with Nkume. Come here.
Oga, I'm waiting.
Madam.
I hate all this emergency meeting. Oga called. Waiting happen.
Madam, look at them. Just give me any amount you have and take them.
Hey! God forbid. I no fit adopt this elephant and tiger.
Huh?
Thunder fire you and your husband when we adopt.
So, you suppose they happy, say they give you two big boys.
Two giants when they give you say make you adopt. You just there, they shout, come for me. I say we be juju. If you talk loss or now you will with the rest. So if not, I'm a pussy go there now.
See only this one way there go finish one bag of rice in 2 days. This belly they fear me.
I'm not a kupu get that you I go swallow. Oga called. Now you will be the respect to. If you're not, I for don't go to her now.
Nkume, calm down. We are trying to do business here.
This business now useless one. You no work.
Wait.
You no work.
Oh, so
Me and Abaka, we dey useless, abi?
You no work.
We dey useless.
You no work.
Ekwe super papa go useless.
Nkume! Come walk up. What is your trouble?
I hope they disconnect me.
I will not only disconnect you, I will dismantle and dissect you. See your bag. Abaka.
Oh, thunder fire them for now. They got my stick now.
Thunder will not only fire the devil, it will fire your pot belly. See your bag.
So Oga called. Sleeping in the afternoon don't become crime for this motherless baby, abi?
It's not for a sleepy attitude. It's 29 good years now they brought you here since when we were kids. And nobody have accepted to adopt you. And our pockets are dry.
Call government and make the refill them.
The government is on strike.
Maybe not the will of God say we go there here marry.
God forbid. I'm stopping that God's will to come to pass here. Head the road. People are going out here today.
Oga coordinator say move they go.
Not make gonna go.
You pursue us, come out.
I not pursue you.
For this
Our pocket
abunga.
dey dry. I not for you.
But Neto, look
Go
me
to the
finish. Pursue me for this abunga.
Your life will be better in the street.
You don't know Akpaka, oh. You don't know
Akpaka, your life will be better in the
Kuma
street.
anyoko.
I be back, I know they go.
Make una women they wait for the
We
street.
go survive.
We go
Madam,
see. Coordinator
we go
Maka.
survive.
Me,
No,
now
they
you
go.
me, now you dey threaten.
Where would they go? Leave am.
Me.
Make una go.
Oh, Nkuma anyoko.
Go out
Nkuma
there.
anyoko.
You want to marry?
Please go see me.
You want to marry? Go out there and marry. Look at them. 29 years.
So this will never come back for water when they go fetch this morning.
Ayobe, they are not back. Anytime they go message, they go 4 boys walk up and down.
Today, thunder go fire them into pieces. Eh? I go teach them next way my brother no teach them before he die with his wife. Don't worry, today.
Papa.
Jen, what do we do now?
Hey, keep your mouth so. Where will I go this morning? Where will I go fetch water? And now when I come back.
Uncle, they no get to down. Now we go with them to pump water. Now make we no come big.
Now make you come back now, Abi.
Oh, why drink the water now? I will not get straight to fetch another.
Oh yeah, go back and fetch another water now. Now!
I'm hungry. I never jumped since yesterday.
You're hungry, Abi? Before I count 3. 2 and a half. Go!
Yes, what is it? Good afternoon. They look for work, any kind of work. Work? Work.
Any kind of job you go work with.
Any kind of work will do.
Oh my God! So you jumped into my house without knocking, took my food and started eating. Downstairs.
Nkoma na mimi na. Nkoma.
Kume Sabia.
Kume Sabia. Sabia. Now the time when coordinator we will come small when they bring us for modernist baby. So coordinator send me message that time I no know road now. We with this small. They come direct me come back. That time in this small. Who get this motor?
One of my motor.
One of your motor. Hey, native doctor. Get one of your motor. Brother, give me address.
You want to learn native doctor work?
I want to learn.
Anyway, you are my good friend. I will direct you. The native doctor shall we teach me work. The man from Amajo village.
Amajo village. In name?
Yes. The Attack. If you go your straight now, see the Waka now. There is a road by the right. Just walk straight. Anybody is on the road, just ask for the Attack. They will direct you. It's very simple.
Hey!
Thank you.
Confirm. Thank you. I'm back to see you. This one, that small one, though. Thank you.
Don't worry. Let me get you guys something.
Hey, something.
Come on. This is just 20,000.
Check up now.
I didn't expect to see you on there.
Wait, make a confirm him.
No.
Native doctors.
Come on.
Hey, Abaka. Awolowo na Dr. Clement. Hey, yeah, who can go? Oh, Abaka. Another one still there. Chile, ego can go. Ego come on.
Put them now, make they go.
Ego come on.
Put them before they go steal them.
If to say me and you know be better for call your guy. You don't have for call your guy. I take a hug.
Bring them.
Come on.
Yeah, my man. Go see for the hold on.
All right, take care.
Hey, sure, sir. Come on for road. Make better person come on for road. Pass. I know here. Come on for road.
Go.
I salute you. Go on, Bye-bye. if you learn this work finish, wait till you go take your money to.
Ha. If they ask me, I go buy Toyota Jeep Tundra.
See you. Me, I go take my money, buy land, build motherless baby home. I go to rent those children, give people who no get money. That's how I go do them. Eh? Sure, you know. All this, you know, say all this business money damn. Now,
Yes, sir.
You go see another track road. Wait there, you're right. Follow the track road. You go lead you to Odoba Kataka Shrine.
okay, thank you. Thank you. God bless.
Thank you very much.
Don't match with us too much. I don't feel in there again, no. We need to do something before you go day late.
Dear my sister, what you will do now? Me self, I don't tire.
You could just find way run come out, eh? You could just run come out for there, oh.
Run go where? You know say we no get anybody. We could just endure am.
Endure am? Eh? For how long? Now when uncle and Jem massacre us for that house, we go endure am reach.
You know say our uncle get hot temper. The one where they beat me, but they bring me. Look, you just dey go. I know why you see.
No wahala, na me just dey go. This firewood sef be heavy.
Onyeji ekwe onyeji. Onyeji onyeji ekwe mo onyeji. Onyeji ekwe mo onyeji. Onyeji onyeji. Onyeji onyeji onyeji. Onyeji ekwe mo onyeji.
Here, now here.
Onyeji. Remove your slippers! No the fear!
No vest. Oga, no vest.
Okay, we are sorry.
Who be Oga? You dey call me Oga? Abia Kataka, Odogwa Kataka. The greatest SMO. Who you be? Who you be? Who you be?
My name na Baka Ike.
I've been Kuma Anyok.
What did I go do for now?
Oga Odogu, Oga Zemo, we won't learn walk. Won't learn walk.
Walk? You want learn walk? We're gonna come in. Sit down.
Why na one land native doctor work this kind of work?
We won't learn this work because if anybody will fuck up for our side, we go treat him fuck up.
Abada. I don't understand you. Which one? What do you mean? What do you talk? What do you mean?
I guess them na American slangs when you speak.
Yeah.
It means say we won't learn this work so that we go they treat people where sickness won't carry fly up.
Una go pay 40,000. 1, 2, 3, 30, 40,000 naira. Cash.
Hey. Now 50,000 naira where we carry come. After 3 weeks, then we go give you the remaining 20,000, 25,000 naira.
We learn finish.
Now because you not be offers.
Yes.
Now make go collect this chicken money. Chicken money.
Amadian, thank you. Say we'll be offering. If not, if we reach 100,000.
Oyeji, 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 ekwe mo oyeji. Ingridi, hombre, wakukumbu wana toyuto, ono seru aka, okwatiri kwa wayaku, olwara mume, 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 hey! Hey! Una go start work tomorrow. Not gonna carry that bag. First there, you go see that room where apprentice they stay. Now there when I go park on at least. Now there when I go stay. Early morning tomorrow, 5 o'clock. When I don't reach here. Go.
Now you get all the whole house, all this.
You don't concern you. Go. Go.
You want to know what I get before you enter water? Oyeji.
This bush, they fear me.
Shut up! You never enter any bush, they talk this one they fear you. Not be like you they see so. What you don't see here? If pin fall for ground, you go see him. Nothing where you no go see here. If you enter bush where they dark for the middle of the day, what you go talk? Huh? Now I tell you, this our native doctor job. Now risky and deadly work. Because we they communicate with spirits where they're dangerous.
Ezemo, what type of spirit? Spirit na spirit, whether tall or short.
Nkuve, you answered well. This your head, we go cut off. Take and do better thing.
Take and do.
Spirit na spirit. And if you not there careful, the spirit go kill you.
Amazon,
You see? Make una listen very carefully. If you're not there for road, or you there for bush, seafood, make una no chop am because na spirit food be that. And if una see short or tall spirit, make una no make noise. Sam. No noise.
Yeah. If you make noise, what will happen?
If you make noise, the spirit go kill you. If he don't kill you, he go do you the same way he go do you. You no go forget him for life. Wahala dey. See, this leaf.
Yes,